Yo, this is Joan of Art. I'm here at the border of our city, driving to the next city, and each of one of us, we are undergoing individual temperature screen checks. It's a nice drive. The roads are pretty sparse. I'm now at the Talisay Bacolod border, entering Talisay here at Wilcon, and the automobiles, the cars, it's taking quite some time. It's a slow drag because I think everyone is screened. First time to go through this process because ever since the borders were closed, I never traveled. This is my first time, so I don't know. It's a lot easier now than it was the first time. It was horrible the first time. Now we're moving. So yep, this is my first time. There's a beautiful sunset. I always love to drive at this time of the day. We're here at Wilcon border, and so they've set up a checkpoint there to check everyone. So each one is being checked. I better move my bags. Okay, each one of us. And now it's gonna be my turn. My turn. Here I am. I just got through. I did not have my I got my temperature checked, and now my tires are being disinfected. That's good. Even the tires, they disinfect. So yeah, just driving slow. I got my temperature checked and got through. Now I'm in the next city. I'm in Talisay. This is Joan of Art. Yay! My first drive out of the city, but soon I heard we're gonna be on lockdown. And so, see you in our next video. Bye bye for now, and be safe, stay safe. Love you guys. Bye for now.